Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm back with a part 4 video for explaining the machine learning topic overall. And in the past part video I show you over all types of machine learning and those two types of machine learning, supervised learning and unsupervised learning. But in today's video I will show you how the reinforcement learning is work, and this will going to be the last part for explaining the machine learning topic. And like I promised before, I will going to give you some resource to learn more about machine learning topic. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay guys, I'm back, and to explain how the reinforcement machine learning is work and what it is, I searched it up in Google and I will explain based on the result. Okay, if you search in Google you can find the definition like this. In reinforcement learning is the primary types of algorithm are categorized as model based and model free, with further classification include deep reinforcement learning and whatever here. Okay, overall, when to explain reinforcement learning, it just means telling the letting the machine to guess, and while the machine is guessing wrongly, we human are going to adjust to do good, to do a correct guess. That's basically overall what reinforcement learning is. But when you go deep and learn more about reinforcement learning, you can build many types of things. For example, you can build a self-drive car, or you can just build some game to play with more than a person can play, and you can do more cool stuff. And it is I think currently in now most of some good things are used by reinforcement learning. And just the reinforcement learning means teaching the machine while they are doing some wrong prediction. To explain that, let's just say example, and let's say some image. For example, if you are, let's say you have a dog, and when the dog is doing or acting like barking, you are going to correct him to do not barking. And when you do that, that's also the process looks like in reinforcement learning. And that's basically the overall types it looks like. And you can also see some example of image here. You can teach the robot to do by just automatically with your. And but basically that's what reinforcement learning looks like. Okay, and if we search reinforcement learning algorithm, maybe you can learn about more stuff in web. I still learning about that reinforcement learning. It's a big field, and you can build a good project by using a reinforcement learning algorithm. For example, like I said before, you can build a self-driving car, for example, if you know that some chess game, you can program chess game to play more than a world champion person to play. And also you can also build another game to do that. And you can do for example, if you search, let's say, a real life example, so you see automatical vehicle, healthcare, energy conservation, marketing, automation, traffic control, robotics, a video game. But most times I hear some companies using for automatic vehicle and video game, and you can also use for robotics and more. And it is a big field. You can also use by using deep learning with reinforcement learning. And yeah, let me explain it for last time. Reinforcement means teaching the machine after seeing the action the machine are taken. That's the definition that I can give you. Okay, and I'm not going to get deeply in reinforcement learning because I don't know about too much. The reason I create this channel also to share my journey while I'm learning about machine learning. So this is my limit. Okay, but like I promised before in the last part video, I will going to give you some resources to learn about machine learning topics, and I'm going to come back after I'm going to show you. I'm going to see you in the next page. Okay, guys, I'm back, and this is the straightforward, and basically this is where you can learn about. And I don't think I have to give you another resource to learn about, but maybe if this kind of hard to learn, and I'm still learning about from this playlist, and it is made just made by Stanford University, and this is the basic machine learning that you can learn about, and it is CS 229, and I think they have also CS 2013, and that's the deep learning, and this is I think the machine learning basic, and this is where you can find a basic thing. And but if you are a beginner, and you can also learn more, but if you want to start with a beginning and with more code, less mathematics, I will going to suggest you in the following page. Okay, guys, and if you are a beginner, you can just search a machine learning full course, and you can watch from free code camp. And to be honest with you, I watched this video, and it is a good beginning to start. And you can also, if you are want to jump to a deep learning, this is made by, I think, Dave. This is a good tutorial video. I watch every video until the end. It's a good it's more code, less mathematics, and this is the video that I'm going to suggest, this one. And maybe for let's say, if you want to learn deep learning, I think his name is Dave, or no, I'm not sure. Let me just check. Okay. I think River, his name is, I think, Dave, and you can also find the video from here, free code camp, and this is a template looks like, and they have currently have 2 million video, and this one have 7.9 million, and this is that I'm going to suggest you, and I hope I see you guys in the next part. And also, if you want to build a project, this guy is awesome. Okay, and as this is the machine learning topic video last part video, and I hope you learn something from this part video, and I hope I see you in the next part video. I hope I see you in the next video. I hope see you there. Goodbye.